Hello everyone, I am replacing the water line on this Glacier Bay toilet. This line right here. Contaminants, sediments can build up causing low water flow. This is a Glacier Bay toilet. This is a 12-inch length hose with a 3/8 connector. Very easy to do. First we're going to turn off our water valve. Make sure no water is flowing. Here's my replacement. This is a 12-inch. If you don't have a comfortable amount of slack, you can get a couple inches bigger on your line. So first we're going to unscrew the fitting on the toilet. Not much water will come out because on this toilet the water is kept in the flip tub. Confirm water is turned off. Unscrew the fitting at the toilet. Prepare for a little bit of water to come out. Once the top is off, take a wrench and carefully unscrew the bottom fitting. Hold the bottom pipe or hose to prevent stressing it out. Once you remove it, a little bit of water will come out. Perhaps put a towel or paper towel down on the ground. Here's our new one. Start hand threading the bottom fitting on first. Then, before tightening it down, hand thread the top one. Get that tight. Once the fitting on the toilet is tight, then we will go down and finish tightening the bottom. Make sure the top is snug. If you want to, you can have pliers and tighten the top plastic fitting more. Just do it carefully. Now I'm tightening the bottom fitting. Careful not to stress out the supply line. Turn the valve back on. No water should leak out anywhere. Watch it, monitor it for about 5 minutes. Flush the toilet a few times, and then you're done.